Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Klook app or website and signing in, because purchases and support link to your account. Once done, make sure your phone is unlocked and supports Esim. This avoids wasted purchases. Next, choose the destination and travel dates, then filter results for Esim plans. Select a plan that matches your itinerary and data needs. This first actionable step moves you from setup into purchase, so you don't stall on trivial prep. Now compare options. Pick the data allowance and validity that match your trip, and check price differences so you pay only for what you need. Make sure the listing notes whether you'll get a QR code or an activation code. This affects how you install the Esim. Also confirm the carrier and supported countries to avoid dead zones. Before you pay, read the activation steps on the product page and ensure Klook will email or display the Esim details when the order completes. After purchase, retrieve the Esim QR or code from your Klook order page or email and follow your phone's settings add cellular plan flow to install it. Once installed, set the new Esim as your data line and adjust roaming or data priority so apps use it. Test with a browser or maps. If it fails to connect, restart the device, remove and reinstall the Esim profile, and then contact Klook support with your order ID. That troubleshooting tip solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.